Yay, we're recording. Hi, GoPro.
Recording.
I think I'm recording. Are
You are recording.
Now you are, yeah. Awesome, sweet. Ageout cam. It's cold. We're in middle of Pittsburgh. And I'm old. That's about it.
Asking me to check it. I was like, I can't see above you, brother.
Nah, man, chilling. Who's here? I gotta pee. Everybody and their mother got a GoPro out here, including me. I am brass sunk. FCO! Little did they know it, I'm about to change the entire approach just because it's finals week. Not actually, but it would be funny if I did. Not really. I can just say I did it for the Vine or something like that. Deshaun Jackson gets a block. That play changed my life.
Performing their 2025 program, Spectator. Drum Corps International is proud to present the Blue Stars.
5, 6, 7, 8. People. Go see these guys. Woo! Let's go! 7, 8. Six, seven, 8. Oh, is that Grant with a ball? Holy crap! Oh, a ball. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 11, 12, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, go! I like watching clouds. No. 1, 2, boing. What? I dropped it.
Reluctantly crouch at the starting line.
9, 10, 11. 5, 6. Take my jacket off. I'm going to take my jacket off. Six, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1. Yeah. Yeah. Ah.
The flag go down, the fans get up, and they get out of town. The arena is empty, except for one man.
Ooh. Oh, I think I got my swagger back. Yeah. Ah. Da, da. Ah. Ah. Yay. Oh, hamburger, cheeseburger, Big Mac, Whopper. Ah!
All right, Blue Stars, great work tonight. Brad Harris here on Type 1. Thank you guys. Have a wonderful, wonderful evening.
Fog. That's my section leader. That was a good run. RIP my bell. Goodbye.